Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6 and the chapter we are doing is mensuration and the exercise we are doing is 10.3. आज हम 10.3 का last question करेंगे, that is question number 12. So what is the question? How many tiles whose length and breadth are, length and breadth of the tile is given 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter will be needed to fit in a rectangular region. This is a rectangular region जहाँ पे हमें ये tiles fit करनी है. Okay, and the length and breadth of the tile is, length is 12 and breadth is 5, right? और rectangular region जिसमें हमें इसको fit करना है, that region they have given. First region उन्होंने दिया है A part में, that is the region of rectangular part is 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter. So how you will do this? Firstly, what you have to find out? You have to find out the area of tile. एक tile का area क्या है? तो area of rectangular tile, that is equal to कितना है? That is equal to L into B होता है. What is your L? See, what is your L and what is your B? L is 12 centimeter and B is 5 centimeter. So 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that will be equal to 60 square centimeter, right? What is the area of one tile? One rectangular tile का area कितना है? 60 square centimeter. Now, what we need is area of the rectangular region. So, area of rectangular region. See, area of rectangular region is L into B. So, what is your L? What is your L? Our L is 100 centimeter and our B is 144 centimeter, right? So this will be equal to how much? 100 centimeter into 144 centimeter. That will be equal to 14400 square centimeter. So what is the area of this? This is 14400 square centimeter. और इसका एरिया क्या है? एक टाइल का एरिया क्या है? 60 square centimeter, right? Now the question is how many tiles are required? How many tiles will be needed? Means what we have to do, see, what we have to do here, I'm just doing, after this what you have to do, number of tiles required, yeah, needed, whatever you want to write, number of tiles required to fit in this region is, number of tiles required is equal to area of rectangular region divided by area of one tile. Okay, पूरा रीजन का एरिया डिवाइडेड बाय एक टाइल का एरिया. In this way we can find out 14400 divided by what? 60. That is equal to 1010 cancel and 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. So this is 24 and 10. So, how many tiles are required? 240 tiles. How many tiles are required? 240 tiles are needed. अगर region is इतना है, that means we need 240 tiles. Okay, let's do its B part. See children, here is your B part, that is 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. These two dimensions are given and here we are having this rectangular region जिसमें हमारी लेंथ कितनी है? लेंथ is 70 centimeter and breadth is given how much? 36 6 centimeter, right? And the tile is of same size. That is, its length is 12 and its breadth is 5. That's in centimeters. So what we will do, we know that area of rectangular tile. We know this as we have find out in earlier question. This is equal to how much? 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. No need to do again. As I am doing here, it is not there. That's why I am doing. आपको ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर टाइल. आपको पता है कितना है? That is 60 square centimeter, right? Now, what is the area? Area of rectangular region. आपको जहां पे उसको फिट करना है. That area is how much? Length into breadth. Here your L is how much? 70 and B is 36, right? So this is 70 into 36 centimeter. This is also centimeter. So it will be 0, 7 6 are 42 के 2, 7 3 are 21, 25 square centimeter. So what is the area of rectangular region? This is 2520 square centimeter, and area of tile we know. Now number of tiles required या needed is equal to how much? Area of rectangular region जहां पे हमें फिट करना है divided by area of one tile. बच्चों ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. जब भी हमें इस तरह का क्वेश्चन दिया रहता है तो हमें क्या निकालना होता है? टोटल एरिया कितना है और एक का हमें पता होगा तो हम नंबर ऑफ जो भी टाइल्स दिया हो या कुछ भी दिया हो वी कैन फाइंड आउट. ओके, बाय डिवाइडिंग इट. सो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन हमारा कितना है? 2520 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट वी विल डू 60 से डिवाइड करेंगे. स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर विल गेट कैंसिल, 0 0 कैंसिल. इसके बाद ये 6 4s are 24, 1 is left, 6 2s are 12. So how many tiles are required? 12 tiles are required. 12 tiles are required. Okay, so in this way children we have completed this question and we have completed the chapter. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Share it as much as it is possible. Comment box में जरूर लिखिए आपको ये कैसा लगा, as well as notification button on करना ना भूलें. That you will find when you will subscribe the channel. There you will see the bell icon. Just press the bell icon. There you will see all option. Press that. Then you will get the notification and you will get my updated videos in time. Thank you and have a nice day.